Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Lab. I'm Maya.
Hi, Maya. Hi, everyone. I'm Leo, and today we have a story that honestly still gives me chills.
What happened, Leo?
Well, today's episode is about a day when nothing went as planned. And I'm not exaggerating. It was one of those days where you feel like the universe is personally against you.
Wow, that sounds intense.
Yes, and the worst part is I was completely unprepared.
Before we start, if you like learning English with real stories, please subscribe and share this episode. And don't forget to leave a comment. We want to hear your own crazy day stories too. All right, Leo, take us back to the morning. What happened first?
It started with a simple thing. My alarm didn't go off.
What?
Yes, I slept through it. I woke up at 8:30 and I was supposed to be at work at 9 o'clock.
That's already stressful.
It was worse than that. I looked at my phone and realized my battery was dead.
No way.
Yes, I didn't charge it, so I had no alarm, no phone, nothing.
That's like the worst morning.
I jumped out of bed and I ran to the bathroom. I brushed my teeth so fast, I almost hurt myself. I washed my face and tried to calm down, but my heart was beating so fast.
I know that feeling.
Then I went to the kitchen to make coffee because I thought coffee would save me. But when I opened the coffee jar, it was empty. No coffee.
No coffee.
I felt like screaming. I couldn't believe it. It was like the day was mocking me.
So you were already late? No phone, no coffee. What happened next?
I quickly made breakfast anyway. I had a banana and some toast. I tried to stay calm, but then I went to put on my shoes and I realized my shoes were wet.
Wet?
Yes, I left them outside last night because I thought it would dry, and it didn't. I felt so frustrated. So I had to change shoes, but I couldn't find the other pair.
Where was it?
I looked everywhere under the bed, behind the couch, in the closet, and then I found it inside the washing machine.
You put your shoe in the washing machine?
I did. I didn't even know how it got there. I just stood there in shock, like, what is happening?
So you finally left the house.
Yes, I left the house, but I forgot my keys.
Oh no.
I was halfway down the stairs when I realized, so I had to go back. And when I got back, the door was locked.
And you didn't have the keys?
Exactly. I felt helpless. I was outside, locked out, and I had no phone. It was like a nightmare. I sat on the stairs and just stared at the door. I couldn't believe it.
How did you get inside?
I had to ask a neighbor for help.
That must have been embarrassing.
It was. I knocked on the door and asked if I could use their phone. They looked at me like I was crazy, but they helped. I called work and explained everything.
Did they believe you?
They did, but they were not happy. I could hear it in their voice, and I felt even worse.
So you finally made it to work?
Yes, but it was a disaster. When I arrived, I realized I forgot my laptop.
What?
Yes, I left it on the kitchen table. I couldn't believe it. I felt like I was losing control of my life. I was angry, frustrated, and completely overwhelmed.
What did you do at work without your laptop?
I had to do everything on paper. I wrote notes, I tried to remember what I needed to do, but I felt slow and tired. I kept thinking, how can one day be so bad?
It was like the world was testing you.
Exactly.
Did anything good happen?
Yes, around lunchtime, my boss said something unexpected.
What did they say?
They said, Leo, you don't need to be perfect. You did your best today.
Wow.
That sentence changed everything. I felt a little relief. It wasn't a perfect day, but I survived.
So what happened after work?
I went home and I felt exhausted. I was still angry at the morning, but I was also grateful.
Grateful?
Yes, because I realized even when everything goes wrong, I can still keep going.
That's powerful.
It's like you feel powerless, but then you remember you're not.
Before we finish, let's review some key phrases from today. I woke up late. My alarm didn't go off. My phone battery was dead. I was locked out. I felt helpless. I felt frustrated. I couldn't believe it. I lost control. I did my best.
Yes, those phrases are very useful. If you want, try to write your own crazy day story using these phrases. It's a great way to practice.
And remember, if your day is bad, it doesn't mean you're failing. It just means you're human.
Thank you for listening to the English Lab. If you liked this episode, please subscribe and share it with your friends. And leave a comment telling us about your worst day. We read every comment.
Until next time, keep practicing your English and keep going. Bye for now.